In this video, we'll look at how to maintain your trucks. Once again, you may want to use a pair of gloves, a soft cloth, a soft brush, and an oil-based lubricant. I'm using high temperature lithium grease. You'll also need to use your hex or skateboard tool. To loosen your trucks, it's recommended that you loosen them incrementally, with no more than a quarter to half a turn between your skate sessions. This allows you enough time to get used to the adjustments that you've made, particularly if you're loosening your trucks and your skates become less stable. To remove the truck, keep loosening until the nut releases completely. You may have to toggle the truck a few times before it becomes free enough to remove. The first cupped washer and bushing should start to come loose. You'll notice that the first bushing is conical shaped. Remember how this fits onto the skate truck. Keep them to one side whilst you remove the rest of the truck. This will expose the second bushing and cupped washer. Remove them and put them to one side, and of course, remember how they all fit together. Now you're free to clean off any residual grease and dirt off of the kingpin and skate plate. Now wipe down the bushings and washer cup. Replace the first washer cup. Now apply a small amount of grease to the kingpin. Remove any excess grease from your gloves or fingers and replace the first bushing. Clean off the rest of the truck with a soft dry cloth before placing the pivot point back into the pivot cup. And aligning the rest of the truck onto the kingpin. Replace the second bushing and washer cup. Now replace the kingpin nut before tightening with your hex or skateboard tool. You'll need to check the tension to get the right degree of adjustability in your truck. You may need to try your skates on and continue to make adjustments until you get the perfect setting.